What's up guys? Today we're going to ride a boat to the sea. And yeah. Now I'm riding the boat as of now. Oh no. It's windy and we don't know if we're going to ride the boat because it's waving. And yeah, we're going to transition into the yacht. Okay guys, now we're riding the boat. And here's the view. And here, it's raining outside. And as you can see right here, and it's windy. So I wasn't able to vlog earlier because I had a class. And yeah. So right here, we're in the boat right now after 3 months. And yeah, so gonna give you a montage. Okay guys, just a few minutes and now we're going to swim. And yeah, we're going to okay, so here is it. I'm going to pause the video for a moment. Okay guys, now we're floating. Oh no, it's going to be sharks in here. Bola lang yan. And it's very cold. The water is cold. Guys, here we are.
If you want to go to the water, go to the water. It's okay. It's okay. Okay?
Okay guys, so yeah. Okay guys, now we're done having lunch and now we're going to swim again. And right here we have the view of the ocean, of the sea pala, sorry. And right here, ayan. May channel ka na? Wala pa.
Wala akong channel, please follow me.
Please follow.
Just follow lang.
Okay, so right here,
Please follow my command.
and right here it's very windy and I hope it will not rain because we planned for this. And yeah, so I hope when we go back there are no strong waves and I hope the boat will not crash. So yeah, so now we're going to swim. Okay guys, now we're going to try the banana boat. And yeah, sige nga, subukan mo. And with me is Ate Alex. And yeah, oh no. Let's try out the banana boat. And here is the banana boat. Say hi. Oh my gosh, it's so windy out there. And yeah, so I will not film because I don't like to lose my phone. And yeah, I'll see you later after the banana boat. And guys, I wasn't able to ride the boat of the banana boat pala because I'm scared. Ginusto mo yan eh. And I might fall out. That's why they're here. Say hi, Ate Jana, Ate Alex, say hi. Yeah, here we go. So let's watch them. I don't want to join because I'm scared riding a banana boat. And yeah, so let's watch them and let's give them a montage. now we're going back while it's raining, and I hope it's going to be safe. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you guys in the base. Okay guys, now we're here inside the car, and now we're leaving Batangas, and now we're now putting our things in the car. So yeah, and we're going to see you at home guys, and I'm sorry that I wasn't able to update you because we had so much fun, and yeah, so we're gonna see you back at home guys. And we're home once again, and now the boat tour ends here. So yeah, so we're now resting, and I'm going to end the vlog here. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video, subscribe, turn on the bell, and see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.